Welcome back. While two Ebola patients are granted the use of experimental drugs, a North Dakota family waits to get the same permission for a vital medication they have been fighting for months as their three sons are dying.
Earlier this week, the Food and Drug Administration okayed an experimental drug to be tested on two Ebola-infected patients. Meanwhile, a North Dakota family waits for the FDA to allow medicine that would save their children's lives from the rare genetic disease called pecan. Now, the community member called Valley News Live asking how the FDA can be so hypocritical with an experimental drug and does not allow a pecan drug approved in Europe on humans be tested on the Kulsruds brothers. Valley News team's Ashley Bishop spoke with the family about this situation.
The Kulsruds family has been waiting since April for the FDA to allow them to take the medicine that would help fight the deadly disease pecan. Pecan causes the human body to not absorb vitamin B5, and it causes a buildup of iron on the brain. The iron then causes neurological issues like speech and mobility problems.
The sports things I want to do, like play football or basketball or baseball.
The Kulsruds doctor has been submitting emergency forms so the boys could start treatment, but the FDA has declined the request multiple times, saying the boys are not on the verge of death.
You know, why can't our three boys have a chance at life, and why do the other two have to have, why do they get a chance and we don't?
The FDA has said in the past the risk to benefit ratio is too high. But currently in Europe, two humans have been taking the medicine REO24 and are showing improvement.
I think there's more political things that are going on than anything at this point.
Two of the three Kulsruds boys' health continues to decline. And just weeks ago, the FDA declined their doctor's request for the medicine again. The family, along with the community members, feel the FDA is unfairly dragging their feet.
So I guess what you're saying is that if it's a slow death, we're not as interested in helping you. But if it's a quick death, we can get things to move fairly quickly. Who decides that at the FDA? Who determines the value of those lives?
The Kulsruds boys continue to ask their parents each day if the FDA has changed their mind. And they are frustrated with the recent decision of the Ebola vaccine.
I think the FDA should just give us some medicine so we can live a normal life.
In Gray City, North Dakota, I'm Ashley Bishop, Valley News Live.
Now, we've reached out to the FDA and congressional delegation about their response to this. We'll bring you that side of the story tomorrow.